The profession was founded in the late 1800s by an MD by the name of Andrew Taylor Still. He had trained primarily by apprenticeship, as I understand it. His father was a frontier physician and minister, and so he had gotten into medicine through the apprenticeship route and was practicing the standard medical practice of the day. And I think one of the things that catalyzed his frustration with what he had to offer patients was the death of some of his children to meningitis. And he started looking eventually at what's going on structurally in his patients with their musculoskeletal system. And so he began to study anatomy in depth, and then started to develop various approaches to evaluate his patients' musculoskeletal systems and start correlating what he was finding based on his knowledge of anatomy with their outcomes and their presentations, and then began to develop some theories on how the musculoskeletal system should function, what its impact was on health, and now how could he start addressing these findings to restore normal musculoskeletal function and allow then the body systems to all function. And so a lot of what he was finding was that if he could address the musculoskeletal issues, suddenly patients would recover. He developed his what would become the osteopathic tenets, which are that, one, the body is an integrated whole, a functional unit. Structure and function are interrelated, and the body possesses the ability to self-regulate and self-heal. And then, therefore, rational treatment was based on those three ideas.